and welcome. Now today we're going to have a look at another cover disc, and this one is AmigaFun issue number 1. And this one is one of the ones, well, it's from childhood, early childhood. Early childhood? No, I didn't play it when I was 3. I meant like, when I was 6, 7 years old. Crazy Sue in System 4 and the 2 demos, which I don't think I've ever checked out before. So let's do them today. I remember this decrunching pattern. These are little things you remember. I'm just going to do that, yeah. Now this, believe it or not, PD game. It feels just as good as like, commercial game. And the music, of course, I really love it. Played this so much, I kind of like memorized everything. This next level, I mean, the first level I could just do practically with my eyes closed, but the second level is a bit iffy. I can normally never do it the first time. It's amazing just how, like... I remember now. I've done a nostalgia time on this before, but it's like a short one. I think. I didn't think I gave the game too much. But this, yeah. It's good memories. No, that was careless. That was really careless. Stupid joystick malfunction. It's the most frustrating thing when joystick fails you. But every little like trigger. Darn it! Why? No. Starting again. Not accepted. Not acceptable. I used to have tantrums like this back then as well. I was playing. The music on this game music's really nice, and I have to say that the tune on Crazy Sue 2 is actually wow. I really like it. Again, both PD games and not commercial releases. You wouldn't think it's better than some commercial releases. This game. Oh, I remember this third level. I used to find it a little spooky, but it's because it was just the mood of it. But I really like the track, especially the stereo image of it. You can't hear it right now because I haven't got it directly plugged in. But the stereo image of it is actually quite impressive. I like the bass line. I've got a thing for bass lines. So does Rich, actually. We like bass lines in this house. Woo. And also with this game you got time. But it's not in normal seconds. It's like some outer different rate. This next level is frustrating. I can get past it, but it's just... That was so annoying! Oh my god! Shut up! The most careless mistake ever! One comes down. This bit is tedious, these stupid boulders. Whatever they are, rolling rocks. Oh, you idiot! No! It's a frustrating level. I want to get to 5. Oh, oh, I forgot about that. Remember, got me. They chased me all the way down. It's like I'm trying to get it done so quick. Alright. Chill, relax, okay? No frustration now. Alright, no more stupid. It's kind of nice and funky, this. I like the track. Darn it! Oh, no! Oh! Stupid thing! Frustrating. I've completed this, honest. I forgot again! I keep forgetting that one! Stupid thing! Come on! Wasting my time. I like that blue sky when you get past it. No! No! Not acceptable. I have to go through this and show you. It's annoying. Pee off. Stupid. Idiot level. Be right back. Show you the frickin' you. Stupid coin. Everything is just like sulking now. I wonder if I must try it one time. And I actually tried it. I wonder if you can actually get through that if you don't get the key. That key thing, if you don't collect it. Freaking idiot to surprise you, isn't it? Honestly, I love the stereo image and on this bass. Whoever did the music for this game, well done, honestly. I like this. I don't know who it is. Who is it who did the music for this? I must check. I must see any. Oh, I can't be bothered. I don't have enough time left. The time goes so quick. It's like disillusion. Gives you a weird sort of sense of urgency. Because it's not accurate. It's not running in normal seconds. Right. Frickin' level. Let's not do that again. This is scary. This is quick. Okay, come on. Is this on any other platform? I mean, it probably won't be. This is a PD game, but you know, you never know. Nearly crashed it, walked into it then. Yeah, I like this blue sky here. It's just very blue. I love it. Right, you collect this thing, yeah, and you can fire. You gotta be careful with these stupid little platforms. Oh no, time. Panic should I hit it? No! Oh my god, 12 very quick seconds left. Almost did it! Ugh, this stupid thing catches me out every time, idiot. Come on, wasting my very quick seconds. He's just here to waste your time. Go away. Freaks. These little platforms, I hate them. Yes, got to the next one finally. You know what? The freak that. Oh. Okay, so do you have to wait for the other one? So you clearly can't jump over it, or can you? Well, you can, yes. Just wasted stupid seconds. Oh my god, everything's thrown at you. Obviously, I haven't been to this level as much. Because it's hard to get to. Freak's sake! No! Okay, maybe wait for this idiot to go first. And then the other one sliding fires. Jump up. There. Oh my god! Stupidly simple. It's chasing him. Why did I just go like excite myself over that for? I don't know how my mind works. My brain works sometimes. My mind. Whatever. No. Stupid! Freaking fast fire on steroids. Well, you know, this is a good game of it. I managed to get to at least the 5th level. Where's the M? Mad E with an I. Right, so that's Crazy Sue, right? Good game of that. I enjoyed that. Let's check out System 4. I have to restart because I cannot get back to. Right, so System 4, F2. I almost pressed F4 for it. This is another one I used to play. I have to say some pretty good games on these Coverdisks. Though I haven't, my brother used to subscribe to all of them. The one Amiga, AmigaFun and all that. I remember the crunch pattern there. The one Amiga and AmigaFun and CU Amiga, Amiga Format, all of them. You subscribed to so many of them. I remember all these magazines have gone. This takes me back, this System 4. Early Amiga days. Yes, cake. So the it's not like lives and energy as we know it. It's kind of more like Gauntlet and Puffy's Saga. Go away! Buzz off. That's called a buzz off. The bee, rotating bee thing. Let's call it a buzz off. Because it gets rid of them. Anyway, yeah, what was I saying? So the system for the energy is, it's more like Gauntlet. It's like a health thing. So you can jump on the idiot and kill him, but your health goes down. And then to get your health up, you have to get, ooh, life. Yes, extra life. Yeah, so you gotta get this cake, the slice of cake, which will give you like a lot of energy. Oh, for freak's sake, and that just loses the same amount. Buzz off. Buzz off. There's nothing there to buzz off. So he comes down. What does this pot of gold do? Is it just points? Oh, you idiot. What's the point? Oh, I think the pot of gold makes you go faster. Freaking idiot. They follow you in a weird way. It's like the Clash. Okay, I need to get that cake. The Clash, like... I could have done with that cake, actually. Of course, it's kind of like Qbert. But in a more grand sort of way. Yeah, normally I'm not a big fan of isometric games, but this one I kind of like. Of course, it makes me freaking idiot. It's just in your way. It's so annoying. I hope that got rid of that. Wherever it was. Cake. I think I need that. Yeah, you lose power at every single bounce. As you can see, the power right there. Buzz off. Yeah, you lose it at bounce. Oh, this robotic cat's annoying. What's this gift to do? Everything you collect does do something. Yeah, I think the pot of gold makes you go faster. Like, oh, you freaking idiot. Yeah, it makes you go faster, I think. Let's get the cake. Yes, cake. Can't have too many cakes. What's the point? Took it off me the moment I got it. I'm not sure how much you lose. You're freaking Qbert level. I wonder if someone was just like having a little bit of a giggle on that. What's this pot of stuff? Oh, for sake. Go away. I'm gonna die. Because it's... every bounce is gonna... What's that pot of stuff do? Whatever it is. Makes me want like hot potatoes or something. I'm like breakfast, I'm sort of. And it's almost like dinner time. As in like... skip breakfast, skip lunch. I'm looking forward to dinner. Something kind of therapeutic about it as well. Life! Like, defeats the purpose of... I mean, I got a life in it. Pot of gold. Oh, go away. annoying thing. No! It's just 2 more left. Oh no. I'm gonna run out of power. Buzz off. Yes. Cake. I need that. I actually do. Okay. Oh, hold on. Does that pot stop them? Because they're not following me. You know, it halts them for a while. I think that's what it might be, you know. There's no way to go without bashing into one of these idiots. Oh, freaking buzz off. I think that, let's have a look if the pot stops them. I think it does, you know. Yeah. So that pot freezes them. Good. Oh no! It's that idiot who takes away your efforts. He undoes the freaking squares with you idiot. Go away. He undoes all your efforts. I mean, undoes your squares that you've done. Efforts. Cake. Yes. He doesn't give you that much. Okay, good. Pot. Stop them. So now I'm starting to realize what these are for. Next level. That's what that ring is, or whatever it is. It doesn't last that long, does it? This kind of reminds me of Clownomania as well. It's a similar type of game, similar era. It gives me, I hate clowns, but I kind of like that one. As in, not the clown, but the game. Oh, go away. I need a cake. Is this I know there's another version of this game, but is there, on Amiga that is, but is this game on any other platform? Like, is it on ST or anything? So does that guy not follow you? The pussycat with the... Oh no! It's that idiot who's undoing my work. Go away. Go away, you freaks. Pussycats are... Oh, buzz off. Yes. Pussycats are right. Well, next level anyway. That was the next level collection thing. I've definitely been here, so I've been this far before. Let's get that actually, because it's... Oh, yes, let's get the other one. Oh, you freakazoid. Let's get the other one. Yay, it's actually quite quicker. So the pot of gold makes you quicker. Good. Buzz off. Okay. Another pot of gold. Good. Get quicker. Oh, you freak! I didn't see that. I need a cake. Maybe jump. It has done in the past. Ooh, nice track. Forgot about this one. Nice music, actually. Oh, you. Oh, let's enjoy that. Anyway, so that's System 4. So should we just check what these demos are about? Because I've been curious about them from like, you know, there's two of them. This Necronome. Soothing demo. Wonder what this could be. Same way it decrunches as System 4. Of course. Classic. This track just takes me back. Right back to the early Amiga days. It reminds me of my brother and in his bedroom as well. Because he used to listen to this when he used to get ready, and you could smell the insignia deodorant. Right, so on that note, let's call it a day. So, thanks so much for your likes, your shares. Do leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos because I do so much more. I do project videos, I do electronics videos, I do quite a lot of Amiga videos. Do music stuff, do video stuff. I do what you call it, vintage audio as well, cassettes, tapes, something for everybody, yeah? More gaming as well, something for everyone. So, do let your friends know, share my channel with your friends, and do subscribe for more. For now, I will say adios.